Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to recover a deleted TikTok account or a deactivated one. Really easy and simple to do, just takes about a minute and a half. So now this is very important. So if you've deactivated your account within the last 30 days, then you'll be able to recover it no problem, like I'm going to show you here. Otherwise, there is another method to do it, but I'm going to show you the first method in today's video. So all you have to do is just head over to your TikTok application and open that up. And then you'll be greeted with this sign up page. So you just click on sign up. And then at the very bottom, you'll notice it says already have an account, log in. So you want to click on that at the bottom. And then you have to choose the method that you use to make your account, whether you made it with Facebook, Google, Twitter, Instagram, Apple, or just used your phone number or email. So I'm going to click on the top portion here. And then you just want to type in your phone number that you used to create your account or your email and username, and then just click on send code or log in. And then once you have that here, you just click on your digit
Here's another
code,
iPhone trick I guarantee you didn't know about.
Option to reactivate.
Okay, I'm going to show you how to unlock your phone with your voice.
Just click on
First, go to accessibility and click on voice control.
And then as you can see, I'm now re-logged into my account that I deactivated previously. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with this video. If I was helpful, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.